I'm Roger, welcome back to my channel. System Restore, that's what I wanted to talk to you about here today. I'm going to be telling you what System Restore is and the purpose of it and how to create restore points. And this of course is in your Windows operating system. I'm going to be using Windows 11 for this demonstration. The principle is, somewhat the same for legacy Windows operating systems. Now, System Restore, what is it? You may be wondering. It is a very useful, I would say, feature in the Windows operating system, which enables you to be able to restore your Windows operating system to a previous time. So that is some past time. And how good would this be if we could actually do this in real life, right? But it allows us to be able to take the system back to some previous time in the event of there being a current issue that, let us say, we're not able to resolve under normal circumstances. All right, so that is System Restore. Now, how do you interface this feature? I'm going to click on the start button there, and in the search bar I'm going to type sys, that's sysdm.cpl, and that will bring up the system properties control panel. Here, system protection, you can click there, and there are three areas here that I'm going to talk to you about briefly. The first one is here. So this setting here allows you to be able to view your system restore points, and also to be able to you actually use here to restore your system to a previous time. So these are some system restore points that are currently on this system, some of which were created manually, so they are labeled manual, and there are those that would have been created automatically based on the system's system stamp. All right, so let us say that I did some registry changes. I changed some settings in my registry recently, and I am currently having some issues with the system that for some reason I just cannot resolve. What I can do is that I can restore the system here, this computer here, to, let us say, this latest time prior to me doing that initial change, registry change. So simply click there and then select next, and it will take me through the process now of taking the system back to that most recent time before I started having the current problem. All right, so that is that feature there. This next feature here, if you click on this button here, it will allow you to configure your restore settings, manage your disk space, and to delete restore points. So click configure, and I would recommend that you make sure that this option here is the one that is selected, which is the turn on system restore, which will mean that the system will automatically do timestamps. So make sure that is configured to on. You can also define the amount of space you want to allocate to system restore. And finally, you can actually select particular system restore points that would have already been created, and you can actually delete them manually. All right, that is what that is all about there. And finally, you can manually now create system restore points. So let us say that I am going to be doing some change here. Let's just say I'm going to be editing some power plan. So power plan, you can just type that in there. So I'm giving it a name, click create. All right, so you can manually create your system plans, or you can have the system, if it is turned on, it will automatically take timestamps as I mentioned. All right, so that is System Restore for you in your Windows operating system. So again, thank you for watching. I am Roger. Like, share, and subscribe. Take care.